Hi ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through how to create order balance request using the advanced ordering feature in ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect. Sometimes your supplier may miss certain items from your order. In this case, you can create an order balance request to notify them of the remaining outstanding quantities. Buyers can use this feature to reflect and track items that have not yet been fulfilled. First, from the buyer's perspective, open the relevant purchase order and navigate to the Order Log tab. Next, select the Order Balance tab and click New to create a new order balance request. A new order balance window will appear, with a new order balance ID generated automatically by the system. The original order items will be displayed together with their outstanding quantities. Enter the remaining balance quantity for each item that has not yet been fulfilled, then review the details to ensure they are correct. Once verified, click Send to submit the order balance request to your supplier. A confirmation message will appear to indicate that the order balance has been sent successfully. You can also view the submission status in the order log under the Order Balance tab. On the supplier's side, click File and select Process e-invoice, e-bill, e-order and tick Sync e-order status to receive the latest transactions. Go to Sales Register and select the relevant customer. You can view the order balance request from Additional Details or Order Balance tab from Order Log to review the outstanding items and quantities requested by the buyer. After confirming the remaining quantities, seller can click Invoice to generate an invoice directly from the sales order. The invoice will be automatically populated with the outstanding quantities specified in the order balance request. Finally, review the invoice details, then click Record to save and send the invoice. Please note that the invoice quantity cannot exceed the remaining balance quantity requested by the buyer. Or else, you will unable to send the e-invoice. This completes the order balance process in ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect. Thank you for watching.